try $100 at the Take It Fire, which has 12,021. Oh, baby, that was the second one. Vamos. Alright, it's Casinenos. We're gonna try $100 at the Tiki Fire. So let's see if Tiki Tiki is gonna give me some Tiki Tiki. Let's go. Let me get those volcanoes. Anything is possible, guys. I'm looking forward to get that gram, which is 57,000. But if the major is coming, I don't mind. I'll take that. That will be great. Ooh, come on, volcanoes. Volcanoes. Coins. Come on. Vamos, volcanoes. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on, machine. Any volcanoes at all? Vamos. Come on. You are worse than what I thought. Come on, volcanoes. Not even a single chance. Let's try $100 at the Take It Fire, which has 12,021. Oh, baby, that was the second one. Vamos. Let's go, Tiki. Let's go. Come on, give me full screen. Let's go. We started good. Let's go. Keep dropping, baby. Keep dropping. Come on. Save the day. Come on. Steve. Ooh, okay, baby. Let's go. 3 more. Come on. At least give me the minor. Give me the major. Let's go. Boom. Yes. Ooh, look at you. 2 more. Fill it up. Come on, fill it up, come on, Tiki, come on. Look at you, money. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going. Vamos. Let me get those volcanoes. Come on. Volcano. Yes, baby, look at you. Are you sure you want to give me those? That $12,000? I'm sure you will. Let's go. Come on, baby. Give me anything that it's gonna double. Let's go. Come on. Come on, machine. Last one. Give me a good one. Okay. I'll take whatever's. Money, it's money, guys. Come on. poquino, poquino, poquino. Volcanoes. Boys. Let's go. Vamos. Let's go. Come on, one more. Ahí cayó. Be nice. Let's go. Come on, machine. We need to get those. Come on. Come on, let me get those coins. Come on. Really, machine? Come on, three more. Don't you go to numb to me? Don't you go to sleep? Let me wake up. Let me get those 3 volcanoes or those 6 coins. Let's go. Come on, volcanoes. Coins. Volcano. Come on, machine. Oh my gosh. Cuando no me quieres, no me quieres. Come on. Is that really a thing? Come on. You saw all those coins? Nothing, guys. Come on. No, pues no quiere Tiki Fire. Alright, Casineros, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I shall see you on the next video. Alright, guys? Thank you, thank you.